Guys, and this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader, and this is your number one sniper entry trader, your number one big trader, your number one humble trader. Anyway, that just by the way. Yeah, if you're joining us for the first time, you are welcome. Yeah, I welcome you, I welcome you, I welcome you. I just wanted to be part of the family because on this platform we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. We used to catch it big in order for us to grow a small trading account. And this video you are about to watch is sponsored by FXTM. FXTM is a broker, and I'm going to share their link in the description. And what you are about to see now is that I want to grow this $100 account. This is a fresh account. This is a fresh account. Let me show you the account history. Let me show you the account history. This is a fresh account that's not been used before. Let me put it on last 3 months. At least last 3 months should show you that it is still empty, even for the last 3 months. So it's a fresh account, and I want to grow this trading account. I want to grow it, and I'm going to grow it right before you. Don't forget, this video is sponsored by FXTM, and their link is going to be dropped on the description or on the comment section. I'm going to drop their link on the comment section. FXTM is a broker, and I really want you to use them because you are going to enjoy their service. All right, so let's go and let's see what we are going to. Let's scout for trades to enter for us to grow this small trading account. Don't forget our pattern. I will show you everything from beginning. I'm going to show you everything from beginning, guys. So let me go and scout for pair to trade. All right, so I've found a pair to trade, and I'm going to enter this trade right now. I'm supposed to enter since around here, but you know, it's not too late. It's not too late. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the risk I'm supposed to take on this trade right now. So I'm going to reduce the risk in case the price wants to pull back. I'm going to reduce the risk, and I'm going to make sure I hold the trade. So this is going to be our first trade, guys. This is going to be our first trade. This is going to be our first trade, guys. Yeah, so I don't want to risk too much. Let me just put it on 0.03. Let me put it on 0. Because I still expect price to pull back. I still expect the price to pull back. So I'm going to put this one on 0.03. Don't forget, 0.03 is even too much. I'm going to teach you something on risk management as we go on. 0.03 is too much for this trade. I will not lie to you, it's too much for this trade. Even though I know it's going to be a very sweet trade, but notwithstanding, 0.03 is too much because I still want to add another position, which is going to be a pending position. So my pending position will be one will be here, another one will be here, guys. Yeah, don't forget this video is sponsored by FXTM. The broker is going to, the link is going to be dropped in the comment section, so you can see 67116, 67116. So I'm going to set my buy limit 67116, 67116. Don't worry, I'm going to tell us what I saw before I entered this trade. I'm going to tell us what I saw before I entered this trade, and another limit is going to be here because there's liquidity level right there. So it's going to be 67016. Buy limit 67016. 67016. Yeah, so those are the positions I want to enter. Those are the positions I want to enter right there. So don't worry, I'm going to give you the full analysis. I'm going to give out the analysis for this trade. Once this trade, we don't trade anything less than 100 pips on this platform. So once I get to my first 100 pips, in fact, I have 3 positions. If price should come back and trigger my other positions, it's going to be something switch because I'm going to benefit from it. So that means I'll just make it 50, 100, then I leave the remaining to run maybe probably to 300 or 400 pips or 200 pips. So I'm going to make sure I scale my profit if price comes back to trigger my position. But if it doesn't come back to trigger my position, that means I will just close my trade once it gets here, or maybe I will just set my I will just scale it up. Set stop loss on every swing that I discovered. And this trade analysis is very simple, very simple, guys. It's very simple because it's based on liquidity. It's based on liquidity that was cleared based on weekly time frame. It's based on weekly time frame liquidity that was cleared. Liquidity that was cleared on on weekly time frame. You can see liquidity level here. Price came to clear this liquidity level. So after price cleared the liquidity level on weekly time frame, price gave a retracement. Everything started from here. This low that was taken out, price retested. Anytime low is taken out or high, there will always be a retest. So price did the retest here after it took out this low. It did the retest here after taking this low. So it did the retest here after taking out this low, and we have a new low here. But now, instead of it to give us a new low here, what we have here is what is called break in the structure of the market, because the market has the structure that it obeys. So when market gave us the break in the structure, we have what is called higher high, and it's also created a liquidity level here. So this liquidity level is meant to be cleared in the future. Even though this particular candle, if you can see this red candle here, this wick Can you see this particular week? Yeah, it's already cleared the liquidity level. But anytime liquidity is cleared, we expect price to give a retest. So the retest is what we want to trade right now, because we expect price to come back to retest this level. And at the same time, we had what is called a higher high level here. So we want to take advantage of, we are hoping for a retest here and the higher high continuation for the structure that has just been changed here. So that is why I want to take advantage of this buy level. And also in my mentorship program, we put something together that will help us to know that price or a particular pair is about to lose strength and another one is about to gain. In fact, that's the first thing we look upon before we take any trade. And we discover that USD is going to be losing strength. So we take advantage of this thing and we enter, and that is why we are entering this trade right now, because we know USD is losing strength. Yeah, AUD has been losing its strength for a while right now. If you go to lower time frame, you can see it has been losing strength for a while. Right now it has been losing strength, but we know that based on the things we put together in my mentorship program, so we know this trade is going to be reversing, and that is why we are taking this buy right now. So if everything I've said, if everything is true, this trade is going to give me good profit. So we are going to wait and observe to see if truly everything I've been saying is true. So we are going to wait and observe to see how this trade will give me a good profit, or probably it's going to go against me with a big loss. That will not happen. So let's wait and see what the outcome will be. If you are joining us for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. So let's see what the outcome of this trade will be, guys. Let's wait. All right, guys, I spotted another trade that I can easily add to my current trade, and I just want to enter it right now. I just want to enter the trade right now, and that is trade on GBP AUD. So let me set GBP AUD right now, so I can just enter it with just small lot size. Okay, GBP AUD right here. So it's just a Swiss trade that I want to enter. You know, we are buying GBP AUD here, so this place we are meant to sell it, because you can't be buying AUD at the same time when it's standing as a quote and a base currency. So I just want to sell AUD right here. So I'm going to use small lot size to sell this. I'm going to use small lot size to sell this right here. And the reason I'm using small lot size is because I still expect price. There's probability of price making an attempt to clear liquidity up there, but I don't want to get caught. So I just want to enter the trade right here like that. So let's see how the price is going to deliver on this. Let's see how the price will deliver on this. Or maybe I should just add one more. Let me add one more. At least we are in profit on the up down one here. So let me just add one. Should I add one more? Should I not? Should I not? Okay, let me just leave it like this. Let's leave it like this so that we not overtrade. So let's leave it like this. So it's a good sniper entry. I mean, oh my god, this is a sweet sniper entry here. Like a sweet sniper entry, and it's going to be a sweet one, guys. It's going to be a sweet one. Oh my. So let's watch what this trade is going to deliver for us. Yeah, so these are the two trades that we want to hold for now. These are the trades we want to hold for now. So let's watch. There is still news events. There is still room for price to come up to this place, so that's why I'm still waiting in case price want to get to this place before it reverses. So that's why I'm still waiting, because this the main place I expected is to sell actually. But you know, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. You can see the liquidity clearance here. We can see under liquidity clearance here, and price has not retested this level since the time it cleared this level. So that's why I want to try and take advantage of that. But notwithstanding, let's still watch. Let us watch and see what price is going to deliver for us. And if price should break below this place, that means we are in for a long sell. Yeah, that means we are in for a long sell. If price should come and clear this level here, that means we are in, or here, that means we are in for a long sell. But for now, let's see what the delivery of price will be, guys. Yeah. Before I say anything, before I continue, let us remember that this video is sponsored by FXTM. Yeah, FXTM, guys. I really recommend this particular broker. I mean, I recommend this broker. Look at spread now. Look at the spread here now. Look at the spread. Very tight. I mean, extremely tight spread. Oh my god. So that's why I'm able to trade comfortably without any issue, without any spike or maybe a kind of spread taking me off. All those kind of nonsense that happen with some brokers. I've used many brokers before, but I can recommend this broker for you. Like, just make sure you register with them. I mean, don't even postpone it. The link is going to be on the comment section. Now let's go. Let me continue with my journey. Yeah. You can see this trade that I entered, that it's now in a sweet position. Like, it's very sweet right now, and currently it's on 138 pips, guys. I mean 138 pips. Yeah, so you can see the account right now that's from $100 is now on $134, which is a sweet one, guys. Yeah, we only entered 2 trades. Yeah, different positions on this one because it took me out one time. It did not take me out actually. I told us initially that I expected the price to pull back from here. to get to this level before it's going to sell, and that is the exact thing it did. That's the exact thing it did. So it did not take me out, so I just waited for it in case it's not going to get to my expected position. I first entered there. I know I dropped this trade for my followers on my WhatsApp and on my Telegram platform. So if you have not joined the WhatsApp group and the Telegram platform, see, you are just making a mistake. Make sure you subscribe, then follow the link on the description to join the WhatsApp and the Telegram group right now. Let me show you something quickly before I continue. This is the WhatsApp group. You can see I dropped the trade right here on the WhatsApp group. I told them we are going to be what? GBP AUD is going to what? Is going to sell as usual, nothing less than 100 pips. Yeah, I dropped it. I dropped it, and you can see the time that I dropped it. This is 4:39. That's the time that I dropped it, was when I spotted the trade. You can see everything right here. Yeah, so I dropped it even before I entered my trade. Even before I entered my trade, I dropped it, guys. So we can see. So if you're not on the WhatsApp group, and I'm already seeing some testimonials, guys. I'm seeing some testimonials on my DM. I'm seeing some people already messaged me on my DM, and I also showed them the outcome. Yeah, we can see the current trade. We are already on 137 pips. Yeah, and that is the exact pip that we were. Even though as the time I'm making this video, the price is currently around this level. So, and the same thing I did on my Telegram platform, guys. Yeah, if you check my Telegram platform here, I dropped the trade for them. I dropped the trade for them for 4:43 p.m. and this is the result after 3 hours. Yeah, so we can see. So if you have not joined the WhatsApp group, you have not joined the Telegram group, I don't know what you are doing. I don't know what you are waiting for. So make sure you just click the link right now and join us. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take my partials on this trade, and I will just leave the one at the top to do the remaining run for us. Yeah, so I'm going to close this one and I'm going to close this one. Yeah, so let me just do that right now. I'm closing this first. Yeah, so after closing that, I'm going to close this other one. Then I will leave the one at my major zone, at my entry zone. I will leave them to run. Guys. So I already closed this one now, so we are already on 119 pips. So we have the opportunity to use these two trades to actually boost our account. Yeah, when I mean boost our account, because this particular trade here, I'm expecting this trade to buy up to this level. Yeah, I'm expecting it to buy up to this level, and if it buys up to this level, it's going to be a sweet one. Guys. So this is what we are still holding. This is what we are doing, and I'm going to give us updates. I'm going to give us more updates on this trade. So make sure you follow me. Closely, guys. So let's wait and see what the market will still deliver for us. If I see more position, I'm going to add to the position, because it's going to be a sweet journey, guys. Don't forget, this video is sponsored by FXTM broker. Yeah, so use the link. The reason why you are using my link is because they sponsored this video. So it's going to be a good feedback if you use my link to register and trade with them. You can see how I'm just starting. The minimum deposit is just $10. Yeah, the minimum deposit with them is $10, which is very sweet. I mean, it's a very sweet one. So deposit with them, take your trades, and if you deposit with them, just DM, let me know, so that I can give you something for free. Yeah, let me give you something for free. Let me give you a strategy that we use to even make money from this broker. I don't care. They are there to transact our transaction. So DM me, let me know when you've registered with them and when you've deposited. Let me know. I'm going to give you something. I'm going to give you a banger strategy just for registering with these people. At least let us support them as they are supporting us, and as they also trust in us, and also because you trust in me, let me also give you something back. Do you understand? So when you register with them, give me feedback, and when you started trading, give me feedback. Let me know, so that I can give you a banger strategy that will actually make you to multiply your account chapally. When I mean chap, it doesn't mean you go and blow account. Anyway, all right, guys. So let's keep on. Let's go down. Let's watch, guys. Yes. This is a good one, and it is getting sweeter and sweeter, guys. Yeah, it is getting sweeter and sweeter. You can see the trade that, depending on that I said before, price came all the way down to trigger those order, and it shoots up. You can see how sweet trading is, guys. Trading is very sweet. It just depends on you knowing what you are doing. I mean, you knowing what you are doing. That is the most important thing. See, I'm going to give you guys powerful strategy. I mean, I'm very serious now. All you have to do is, this video is sponsored by FXTM. Yeah, it's sponsored by FXTM. Use the link that is on the comment section. Use the link to register, fund your account. When you trade up to one lot size with your account, they will give you $50 reward. Yeah, they will give you $50 reward. I'm telling you. And you also get something from me, which is the powerful strategy that I will give you. So when you receive your first $50, message me. I'm going to release the powerful strategy for you. I'm very serious. Just message me with your testimonial of your $50. Then let me know. I'm going to release the powerful strategy to you. Don't rush because you want to get $50. Trade normally, just fund. This is a good broker that you should stay with. So just fund your account. Now let us go back. Let us come back to what we are talking about. Look at this trade very well right now. Look at this trade. So we are on sweet profit. So I'm going to take partials from this trade. So I'm going to close this one first. I will close this one first. After closing this one, I'm going to close this one second. I'm going to close this one second, and you can see this is a switch trade. Yeah, so we're going to leave the remaining one. So you can see if 0.01 is giving you $10, you know this is not just a baby, a child's play. How did they call it? You can see you can easily grow a small trading account with this strategy and everything. So if you check the last 3 months, just the way we checked it earlier, we can see that we've gained $48. We've already closed $48 profit. Everything is blue, and we can see that you're 177 floating on this, and we can see this one is still running. We have USD news, and we also have GBP news by 11. We have USD news by I think 4 p.m. So the news will also determine what will happen to this trades. Yeah, I'm going to put my stop loss in my entry in order for me to break even if it wants to go against me. Yeah, so it is very simple. The strategy used here is very simple, guys. It is always about liquidity level. I don't know the one. I think I've explained one for us. I've explained one initially. I think so. If I'm not mistaken, I think I've explained one initially. Yeah. So okay, I think this particular strategy, you can see everything is all about liquidity. I've explained this thing before though, but I don't know if it's on this particular video. I don't know if it's on this particular video, or maybe the video on my big account. So the liquidity here that was taken here, price clear liquidity. So the build up of the liquidity that started from here. I'm going to delete all these things. Let me delete all these things. I don't really need them. I don't really need them again. Yeah, I just use them to mark the levels of reversal. Okay, let me just leave this one. So we can see liquidity level that is being cleared here. Price traded back into the zone that's cleared the liquidity level here, and we expect price to do a what? To react from that zone. We expect price to react from that zone, and if it's going to react very well, this particular trade, though it's on daily time frame, but this particular trade has the potential of getting here or getting to this place or coming to this level in order for it to clear another liquidity. And if we check it from weekly time frame, we are going to see that it's a sweet one there. Liquidity was cleared here. Price, look at liquidity level here. Price came all the way to clear liquidity level, came all the way from here to also clear liquidity level, came all the way here to clear liquidity level. Liquidity clear here. Price gave a retest. Liquidity cleared here. Price gave a what? A retest. So we are just citing liquidity levels, and there are some strategies I put together in my mentorship program that will help you to set liquidity levels and take advantage of them, and the zone that we target after liquidity has been taken. So when you join my mentorship program, you will understand more about all these things. You will understand more. Anyway, this is how we roll. Let's wait and see what market is still going to deliver for us, guys. Let's wait and see what market is still going to deliver for us. Look at the sniper entry here. This is a sweet. Oh my god, this is how many stop loss here? The stop loss is just, I think, two or three pips. Yeah, because that's a sweet one there. That's a sweet one there. So if you want to trade like this, if you want to enter trades like this, okay, the stop loss is up to 5 pips. So if you want to enter trades like this, just make sure you subscribe, and you can also join my mentorship program in order to accelerate your journey. All right, guys, so let's wait and see. Don't forget, use the link to register for your FXTM account, guys. Yeah, my link will help you to qualify for the $50 reward. Yeah, my link will help you to qualify. So if you use the link, it's going to be a benefit to you. Yeah, you're going to benefit from it, guys. All right, guys, so let's watch and let's see what we are still going to get from this trade, guys. Guys, so we have successfully doubled this account. As you can see here, this is 212 here, 212. So if I close all these trades right now, they are going to generate for me $213. Yeah, so we've doubled the account already, which I'm going to close some positions right away. I'm still expecting this one to give me more delivery. I'm expecting more delivery from this particular pair. I'm expecting more delivery from this particular pair. I'm expecting more delivery from almost all the pairs. I think this is the only pair that has actually satisfied my demand. It has satisfied my demand. This is the entry level, and it has already gotten to the TP level. So I can just bring my stop loss and maybe place it here or place it here, because the mandate or the mission has been fulfilled on this pair, which is a beautiful one. Guys. So let's see if we can just scale up this accounts to $1,000. Yeah, this is just day 3. Yeah, this is day 3 of holding this account. Day 3 or day 2? It should be day 3, right? Okay, this is just the start of day 3. So let's see if this account will get to if it's going to get to $1,000 within a week, within 7 days, $100 to $1,000. Yeah, so just make sure you use my link on the broker. Just make sure you use my link to register with my broker. Yeah, just register with my broker. You're going to see a link on the comment section. Use the link to register with my broker, or if you want to enroll for pro firm, you will see link of my recommended pro firm. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. So we are still continuing in the advancement of our $100 account, the journey of 100 to 1,000. Yeah, so it's going to be a sweet one. It's going to be an interesting one. So now I just closed some trades right now. You can see we are already on 101 profit, but we are still taking more profit. So I want to close the partial for this right now. This is GBP NZD. I want to close partial. So for you to close partial, it was on 0.02. Now I click here to reduce it to 0.01, and you can see I'm closing with $11. So I'm going to close that right now, and you can see that we just doubled this account officially, and we still have floating profit of $33. You can see that. So I'm still going to close partial on JPY. I'm going to close partial on USD JPY. I'm going to close partial. So I'm going to leave 0.01 to run. Yeah, I'm going to leave 0.01 to run. I'm going to leave 0.01 to run. So I have 0.01 running on all my trades right now, and I'm going to set their break even. So for this one, I set my stop loss around here. I don't know if it's going to get here, but this is the right way for me to close all the profits actually. But sometimes you give trade an opportunity to do its thing, an opportunity to move. So that's why I want to set my stop loss around there. I'm supposed to set it around there, but I don't want to lose too much on this. So I'm going to set it around 1.93399, 1.93399, 1.93399, 93399. Yeah. Oh, I think I just made a mistake. 1.93. Oh my god. 1.93408. 1.93408. 1.93308. 1.9333408. I think I clicked 498. Well, all right, so I'll just leave the stop loss here and let me see what the trade is going to do with that. Yeah, so if you see me catching 600, 700 people, that's how I do it. That's how I set my trade. And on USD JPY, I still expect it to deliver more. So I'm going to set my stop loss around here, and that is going to be 136,316, 136,316, guys. 136,316, 136,316. Yeah, that is the stop loss right there, 136,316. So now I'm going to check on GJ. I think I've set this one. Okay, I've set for GJ. I've set for Euro JPY. I've set for Euro JPY. So for AUD USD, this trade has been there for a while now. It's not making the push I expected it to make. So I think I'll be closing this trade. Well, I've already set the stop loss though, but I'm not expecting anything much from this trade. I've already taken partials. 67119. Let me just push it up a little bit to 67119. Let me push it up a little. Yeah, it's on here. 67119. So I've already locked all my trades. So no matter what happens, I know my 216 is going to remain. So now let me scout for trades to add. Let me scout for trades. I've already scouted for trades. I've checked for trades, but I've not really seen any trade that is giving me. I'm not seeing any promising trade actually. I'm not seeing any promising trade. Yeah. So I don't know. This is the trade that's supposed to give me more profit. It refused to trigger and it delivered. That's heartbreaking. It's delivered. And I have some other trades that's supposed to give me profit like that, but they didn't give me what I expected. I mean, they did not come back to retest. See, this one just few pips for it to trigger, and it failed. It's disappointed, but notwithstanding, trading can disappoint, but God will never disappoint. So guys, let's hold on and see how this trade goes. Let's see how this pair grows, and let's see how everything will go with the account growth. All right, so if you are joining us for the first time, I want to welcome you again. This is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Yeah, your number one sniper entry trader, your number one humble trader. All right, guys. So guys, I want you to stay focused, and so if you are joining us for the first time, make sure you join our WhatsApp platform, join our Telegram platform, and also make sure you subscribe right now. Don't procrastinate. Don't procrastinate. The trades, like I dropped like 2 trades on the group. I dropped 2 trades on the group. All the trades that I closed, I dropped 2 of them on the group. So we have many people that benefited from the trade. Yeah, we have many people that benefited from the trade. If you also want to be benefactor of all these kind of trades, just make sure you join the platforms and let's stay connected, guys. Yeah.